Alright, entrepreneurs, tired of grind? Ready to let technology do the work while you collect profits? You're in the right place. Today we're revealing 25 business machines you can buy online that are set to transform your hustle into a streamlined, automated success story. These tools are designed to help you work smarter, not harder. Ready to see what the future of business looks like? Let's jump right in. This cutting-edge machine revolutionizes automated painting across industries such as automotive and furniture manufacturing. It supports various paint types and materials, delivering a flawless finish with each application. Starting at $4,000, this machine not only reduces labor costs, but also ensures consistent, high-quality results with minimal waste. Customers appreciate its easy integration, durable construction, and comprehensive technical support, making it a valuable asset for any production line. Engineered for speed and precision, this machine excels in printing on diverse materials, making it a top choice for the custom packaging and textile industries. Its single-pass printing capability produces vibrant, detailed images, significantly boosting production efficiency. With a starting price of $7,000, it caters to a wide array of designs and colors, meeting varied customer demands. Users laud its reliability, intuitive operation, and the capacity to handle large-scale orders without compromising on quality. Designed for seamless production of U-shaped and J-shaped staple nails, this machine automates every step of the manufacturing process, from forming to sorting, ensuring high precision and uniformity. Starting at $1,000, it offers an efficient solution for businesses looking to scale up nail production with minimal manual labor. Users value its sturdy build, straightforward operation, and the consistently high quality of the nails produced. Ideal for bustling environments like offices, malls, and airports, this fully automated vending machine serves a variety of coffee drinks customizable to individual preferences. Priced from $30,000, it stands out for its user-friendly interface, quick service, and capacity to manage high volumes without sacrificing quality. Customers admire its sleek design, dependable performance, and the convenience it brings to busy settings. Perfect for the food and beverage industry, this machine is built for the rapid and precise production of paper cups. It automates forming and sealing, ensuring consistent quality with every batch. Starting at $14,000, it enhances productivity while reducing labor costs, making it a smart choice for businesses looking to scale. Users commend its durability, ease of use, and the significant boost in production efficiency it delivers. Tailored for the pharmaceutical and supplement industries, this advanced machine offers accurate, high-speed counting of tablets and capsules, making large batch processing a breeze. Priced from $52,000, it minimizes human error and accelerates the packaging process, thereby enhancing overall productivity. Users appreciate its precision, dependability, and the considerable time savings it provides in the production line. This robust machine is designed for the efficient production of high-quality pouches, essential in industries like food and pharmaceuticals. It ensures precise sealing and consistent output, handling large volumes effortlessly. Starting at $40,000, it offers advanced features that enhance production speed while reducing waste. Users value its durability, easy operation, and the superior quality of the pouches it produces, making it a preferred choice for streamlined packaging processes. Aimed at small to medium-sized food businesses, this machine is ideal for producing eco-friendly disposable lunchboxes. It efficiently forms, folds, and seals with precision, boosting productivity and ensuring consistent quality. Priced from $14,000, it strikes a great balance between performance and affordability. Users praise its simplicity, reliability, and the high-quality finish of the lunchboxes it produces. The automatic CNC fabric cutter is a precision machine designed for cutting fabrics, canvas, and other materials, making it ideal for stage performance clothing production. It features advanced components like Japanese Panasonic servo motors and a German drag chain cable for reliability and accuracy. This machine is customizable and supports various cutting processes, ensuring high efficiency and quality in production. Prices range from $21,080 to $28,020, and it comes with full technical support and fast delivery. An advanced solution for high-efficiency packaging, this machine features 4 working stations, enabling simultaneous operations that significantly boost production speed and output. Starting at $8,000, it's built for longevity and easy maintenance, ensuring consistent reliability and minimal downtime. Users value its sturdy design, versatile functionality, and seamless integration into existing production lines, making it a valuable asset for enhancing packaging processes. Tailored for e-commerce businesses, this advanced automation system streamlines order fulfillment by handling tasks such as sorting, packaging, and labeling with pinpoint accuracy. Starting from $33,990, it's capable of processing high order volumes, ensuring timely and accurate deliveries. Users commend its flexibility, dependability, and the productivity boost it brings, making it essential for scaling e-commerce operations. A game-changer for beverage businesses, this machine offers efficient filling, capping, and labeling of bottles, handling from 1 to 8,000 bottles per hour. Priced from $6,600, it's versatile enough to accommodate different bottle sizes and liquids, ensuring consistent quality with minimal waste. Users appreciate its dependability, ease of use, and the significant productivity boost it provides. Ideal for snack businesses, this machine automates the entire process of producing caramel-coated popcorn, ensuring consistent flavor and texture in every batch. Starting at $5,000, it's designed for a large-scale production, making it a perfect choice for scaling operations. Users value its reliability, user-friendliness, and the premium quality of popcorn it consistently produces. This machine is designed to produce elegant professional business cards with a premium foil finish. It automates the stamping process, ensuring each card is crafted to high standards. Starting at $4,000, it's an excellent option for print shops and businesses looking to add a luxurious touch to their materials. Users praise its simplicity, high-quality results, and its efficiency in handling large orders. Perfect for stationery and packaging businesses, this machine automates the cutting, folding, and gluing processes required to produce envelopes with precision. Starting at $10,000, it offers superior productivity while significantly reducing manual labor. Users appreciate its reliability, user-friendly operation, and the uniformity of the envelopes it produces. Designed for the paper product industry, this machine efficiently produces toilet paper rolls by automating perforation, cutting, rolling, and packaging processes. Starting at $39,000, it delivers high output with minimal labor, making it ideal for scaling operations. Users commend its durability, ease of operation, and the substantial boost in production efficiency it provides. Ideal for small to medium-sized bakeries, this machine efficiently shapes and cuts biscuit dough into various sizes ready for baking. Starting at $2,300, it offers precise dough cutting and ensures consistent results, streamlining the production of both soft and hard biscuits. Users appreciate its dependability, versatility, and the quality it brings to biscuit production. Perfect for small to medium-sized businesses, this compact machine automates key processes such as mixing, extruding, and cutting, ensuring smooth, consistent production of bar soap. Starting at $19,500, it's an excellent choice for scaling up operations while maintaining high standards. Users value its ease of use, reliability, and the professional quality of the finished soap bars. An eco-friendly solution, this machine transforms recycled paper into sturdy egg trays, perfect for packaging and protecting eggs. Starting at $75,000, it offers a sustainable approach to production, reducing environmental impact while ensuring high-quality results. Users appreciate its reliability, simplicity, and the significant cost savings achieved by utilizing recycled materials. Designed for efficient production of corn-based snacks, this machine automates the entire process from mixing and extruding to frying and seasoning, ensuring high-quality output. Starting at $20,000, it's perfect for manufacturers aiming to scale up production while maintaining control over the final product. Users value its versatility, dependability, and the ability to create a wide range of chip shapes and flavors. This machine is tailored for the efficient production of high-quality paper towels, automating the conversion of raw paper into finished towels, including tasks like embossing, cutting, and rolling. Starting at $14,000, it provides a reliable, cost-effective solution for businesses looking to scale up production. Users appreciate its consistent performance, ease of use, and the superior quality of the finished product. This versatile machine automates the entire packaging process from bag forming to filling and sealing, ensuring precise, consistent results. Starting at $3,200, it's ideal for businesses seeking to improve packaging efficiency with minimal manual intervention. Users praise its reliability, ease of use, and the machine's ability to handle various bag sizes and types with speed and accuracy. Perfect for small to medium-sized food businesses, this machine automates dough wrapping, filling, and sealing, ensuring uniform size and quality of dumplings. Starting at $1,645, it offers a cost-effective solution for increasing dumpling production. Users value its user-friendliness, durable construction, and precision in handling various fillings. This machine is designed to produce durable paper tubes used in packaging and crafts. It automates cutting, rolling, and gluing processes, ensuring high precision and efficiency. Starting at $5,000, it's a dependable solution for scaling up production with minimal manual labor. Users commend its robust construction, easy operation, and consistent quality. Ideal for confectionery businesses, this machine automates the production of wafer rolls and egg rolls, including batter preparation, baking, and rolling. Starting at $25,600, it's a scalable solution for increasing production capacity while maintaining precision. Users appreciate its ease of use, durability, and the excellent quality of the finished wafer rolls.